What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be going over Bitcoin. I've got all of these things that I have to go over that's happened in the past day. So I guess I don't even really want to do like my own personal intro. I'll just run the intro real quick. So if that sounds good to you guys, make sure you guys go down below this video, hit that like and subscribe button, join us on Discord, and follow me on Twitter. And most importantly, if you guys would like to learn how to make $286 in 17 minutes like I did right here, or $312 in an hour and a half like I did right here, or even 4,400% like I did right there, then go down below the video, sign up to BYBIT using my link right here. You can get up to $1,600 for free. And once you do, as a thank you, I will send you guys my course completely for free. There's no catch, there's no gimmicks. All you got to do is sign up and deposit onto this exchange and start trading. If you already have an account with BYBIT or another exchange, that's fine. Just transfer your money over to this new account, transfer your crypto, and start trading. And once you do, you message me on Discord or Twitter, and I will send you this course completely for free as a thank you. And also, too, don't forget, once you join the Discord, also as a thank you, we do have this trade and chill section here where we actually do live trading. So this trade right here that I actually took it live in the Discord. So make sure you guys are joining us there. And without further ado, let's jump back into the video. All right, so with this, let's start at the beginning. This is not in order because I'm too lazy to put it in order, but we're gonna go over the past days information here. If you guys want, you can go back to my live video that I did on August 12th, and you'll actually be able to see me live trading this down here, which got me into the trade, which I did not print up a card for. I completely forgot about that, but I'll just show the update here on the trade. Let's see here. We can bring it up on the other screen. So this is a trade that I ended up getting myself into because we had the 80% setup. So this is down here at 44,000, let's just say. And these were the take profit ideas. And this is how it ended up playing itself out. So we've got this one last take profit if we actually do hit the high. Then after that, I'm just going to keep trailing my stop losses up. But we've had our 3 take profits hit so far on that. And again, all of that was done live. And so we're going to go over the reasons why this happened down here really quickly. So we're going to start on the 5-minute. Bring ourselves back over here. And this is what I was telling people. But so when we come all the way down to here, there's a couple of things. So we had the 3 drives pattern that I was talking about. I don't know. You can start the drive here, whatever. So you had your 1, 2, 3 to the downside, and then you had your move to the upside. So that was, you had your 3 drives right there. The second thing that we had was, where is that? What happened to it? What happened to? I don't know. The 15-minute. Let's go to the 15-minute. There we go. That's more like it. 15 minutes better to see it on. So you had this trend line that I was talking about. And you broke this trend line. Where did you break the trend line? Right here. So that was kind of usually when you see these trend lines break on the 15-minute or 30-minute or any trend line, when you see a break, that usually means, hey, it's go time. The move to the downside is over. Plus you put in a bunch of divergences here at these lows on the 15-minute. I swear to God, I did one on the 5, but whatever. And then on the 30-minute, I think the 30-minute one was the most important in my mind because it was probably the one that was the most well respected. So if we pull it like this, I was telling everybody, you know, you break this trend line, it's go time. And again, we broke the trend line right here at the same time, basically on the 15-minute, and we shot up from there. So again, all of this stuff is live. You guys can go back and watch the price action if you guys would like to verify that. So that's that. And then another thing, so there's the major RSI divergences, RSI trend line break. We had the 80% setup, major bullish divergences at the lows. I got to change that B because the B, bearish and bullish, both starts with B, so I didn't know which one I was talking about. So here, me and Max just went over this. You had CVD weakness showing up, which means less and less people were selling at these lows, or less and less longs were getting closed out at the lows here, right? And so you had your weakness showing up here. Boom, you hit your low right exactly right there on the dollar of the daily level, basically called by one of the people in the group here. So you have this level right here, the daily level hit to the absolute doll hair. And you had this support resistance flip of this level, and you had a 4-hour order block right there, right? 4-hour order block, daily level, and that was called by one of our lovely, lovely people in the group here. Right here. Arnold said, what about going down, grabbing the liquidity from 43,820 daily, weekly open order block, all the way back up, right? He called that in advance. Boom, it came down, happened, hit the order block. We are getting some pretty serious buy orders coming in right now. That's not good for me. And so that was another reason for that low right there. So there was just a bunch of reasons to get into that long, which is what we did. What else do I have on this text? So we've gone over that. And then after that, we had the 80% setup play itself out. I was talking about that for the group. Let's see, right here. TP1 hit, 80% setup is currently in play, possibly looking for 46,200-ish. So this was the idea, 46,200. We hit our 80% setup. We came into the value area low with 30-minute candles, and then now we shot back up. We came up, we broke the target of the 46,200. So that 80% setup happened. And then on top of all of that, what else did we have? Well, we had some naked previous day levels up at that high too. So you had some naked previous day value area highs, naked previous day point of controls up at that high. And then again, there was also, I think, a 4-hour point of control. I think, let me see here. If I move this up like this, there it is. On the 14 tick, you had this point of control basically calling the exact high as well on that. So there was a bunch of reasons to be looking for longs at these lows and to be taking profits at these highs. Max, did you to say that you took a trade where you longed the low right here and you took profit like way up here? Is that what you said that you did?
I longed it up to the top basically, yeah, here.
So you longed here and you took a profit here? That was your first take profit?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh man, if you have the card, can you print that out? That would be pretty
I
cool
did
to
it
see.
a few minutes ago, so that
Oh,
you
you
have
did?
it in
Where
the
is it?
video.
Oh, it's in here?
Yeah.
Boom. So 43911 all the way to 45. 43911 all the way to 45. 43.
Wait, maybe it's the other account because I have had it open in 2 accounts.
45, yeah. That's 45 is pretty damn good. 45850. Okay. So yeah, if you find another one, let me know. But anyway, so we had those levels there. So we were talking about that. Highs are being taken. Buys are coming in. Something is going down right now. All right. So we are almost done. Let's do this. I got to turn off that damn noise because that's pretty annoying. So major divergences, massive longs closing at those lows. We saw that, the 3 drives at the lows, big gap in the 1-minute lows. I don't know what that's about. We're going to skip that because that's just way too long. The order block, we just went over that, the daily level called by the member. Now we have a couple of things here that we are SR flip from previous price action. Okay, we went over that as well. And naked previous day levels, we went over that. So we've got these last 2 things to go over, and that's mainly the current price action. Daily level calls the high. So if we look at this, we had this daily close through level, which is basically acting as a resistance. We had a resistance into that level, resistance into that level, resistance into that level right there. We're seeing it again. We're probably going to break out from here, but you know, it is what it is. So what else do we have left? Well, one of the people in the chat posted up their chart here. Dun, dun, dun. Right here, Pod, the man himself, posted up this really, really sexy possible triangle pattern. Again, it's possible. Right now, we are seeing more bullish sentiment going on in the volume, but I'm digging the idea. So we've got to zoom all the way out like this. Let's get rid of all this madness. Oh yeah, I already have the trend lines drawn out here. So we have this possibly unfolding. So if we do have this play out. It's possible that we do come up, get a little bit of a move to the upside, fake out everybody, come back down, hit the trend line, and then just keep doing this. But this is a pattern to be looking out for if we start to see some price fall down to the downside like that. Okay, so that's all of the ideas and all of the things that have been happening recently. Some ideas that we have. So let's just go over more of like the stuff that I do. I don't even know why the fuck I'm making this video like this, because I gotta stop doing this. What are we seeing right now? Well, we have this point of control coming in right here. I'd probably say that that's probably also the daily point of control. But we need to see a break of these highs. Let's see these highs right here. This is the top that we have way over here. We need to break that. If we do break that, then the next gap that we're looking at in the highs is 47K, 47,100. Then we have another gap at 47,600 that we could be looking at. And then I think also too, that's where the 618 starts to show its face. Let's see the Neo's ideas. Yeah, bam, right here, 47,300-ish, 47,300-ish, yep, right there. And then we have some targets to the downside that we'd be looking at. Kind of went over those during the live stream. We are live right now, so join us in the mornings for the live streams. Yeah, we have these two box areas right here. 40, what does this say? 45,700 to 45,400. And then we have our second green box for some support down here at 45K, all the way down to 44,500. Those are the two areas that we're looking at. But yeah, I've been streaming for way too long. I'm exhausted. I need to stop doing this. I need to set a timer on these live streams because this shit is just way too long. Anyways, yeah. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to go down below, hit that like and subscribe button. We do this on a daily basis. Join the Discord and follow me on Twitter. Most importantly, again, like we were talking about earlier, if you guys want to learn how I made $286 in 17 minutes, or how I was able to make $312 in an hour and a half, or even the super amazing luxurious crazy trade that I took where it's 4,400%. Go down below, join us over on BYBIT. You can get up to 1,600 for free. And most importantly, once you do that, I will send you my course for free. There's no gimmicks, there's no nothing. You don't owe me anything. All you got to do is sign up, deposit money onto the account that you just made, and start trading. Once you do, you message me on Discord or Twitter, and I will send you my course completely for free. And if you already have an exchange with an account with another exchange somewhere else, it doesn't matter. Just take that money, even if it's on BYBIT already, take that crypto, put it onto your new BYBIT account that you used with my link, and I will send it to you. Just message me and let me know that you did that, and we'll hook you up with that. And then also, too, most importantly, when you join the Discord, you will be a watcher, okay? You'll be a watcher. Just post up your charts, let me know that you're serious, and then I'll change you from a watcher to a trader or charter, you can see here. And that gets you access to this trader and charter section, where we are posting up some of our ideas that are netting, 2.6%. Someone right here, let's see, 7.4%. In fact, it's already up now, probably because we're taking the highs. So yeah, Max is posting up his ideas, you can see here. And there's all of that fun stuff. And then also, too, just in general, people are posting up a lot of their wins. Norse, Terry Bong, Mr. Gixer. So yeah, we're just a good community. We're actually live trading over here. We scalp trade, we day trade, we swing trade. We trade all the trades. So you guys can see here, just a bunch of people are joining in with us. So yeah, hit the like and subscribe button. Join us over on BYBIT, Discord, Twitter, all that fun stuff. I'll catch you guys on the next video.